It's your girl Nizzymacllc, and I'm back on the track. Hey. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nizzymacllc, and I'm back on the track. Thanks for dropping by, y'all. Like, today's video is something a little bit different. You guys, this is a human hair installation. Okay, yes, this hair is bomb, you guys. So this is my first time working with this company and trying this hair. So this is my honest, straight out the box heat strand test, construction test, all that good stuff. I'm here to share it with y'all. So I did ask my audience, a few members of my audience, if they have ever heard of this hair company before, because I personally haven't, and they informed me that it was like real popping back in the day. So I think they're trying to like get back, you know, get back going into the swing of things. So they reached out to me, sent me a frontal and 2 bundles. So I'm here today to show you guys, you know, how I installed the unit, as well as how to curl your hair. Ooh. How to curl your hair with a flat iron. If you guys are new here, make sure y'all give this video a big old thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Let me know you rocking with your girl on my YouTube journey to the top. And while y'all down there, make sure y'all hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever it is I post. If you guys want to stay tuned for a tutorial, make sure you guys stay tuned, and then I'll come back and talk about my honest thoughts and opinions on this hair, you guys. So let's go ahead and jump into this install, you guys. I'll just let it play, and then I'll come back and give you guys my honest thoughts on this hair. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Boom, so we back, you guys. Like I said, I didn't show on camera me making the wig, constructing the wig, because that would just be like a 30-minute video, and I know y'all ain't got time for that, and neither do I. So yeah, I cut that part out. But let me know if you guys want to see a you know, a wig construction video. It's something I can definitely do, because I actually enjoy constructing wigs. Okay, like as you guys can see, the baby is laid. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed the installation. Like, this was a pretty super simple installation. I tried some new tips and techniques and stuff. So yeah, back to my honest thoughts on this hair. This hair is really good, you guys. This is a really good grade of hair. So the frontal, if the frontal comes pre-plucked, you guys, it didn't come bleached, so I had to do that on my own, but that's okay. But it comes pre-plucked. Now I personally went in and plucked it just a little bit more, and I did use the arrogant tase method with using the white rag. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'll leave the video down below. He dropped some tea in one of his classes on how to pluck the units to perfection, so I used that method to pluck the hairline. So yes, sis is plucked. And the lace is very soft on this, you guys. The lace was very stretchy. I don't think it's Swiss lace, but I do think it's like transparent, because it is blending in so well with my skin tone. No issues, no nothing. Like, you cannot tell that this is a wig. Like, I'm amazed. Okay, I am amazed. So yeah, the lace is very soft. I really like the lace on this unit. Like, this is some pretty good lace. I haven't had a good lace in a while that wasn't like what's that HD lace. I feel like if it's not HD, then sometimes it be like falling a little short sometimes. But this one, this frontal was really good, you guys. The hair was soft in it. There was no filler hairs on the inside. It was thick, and the hairs were the true length from the root to the ends all over. And you know, some frontals have those little hairs in there. This doesn't have that, so you're able to part it wherever you want. Me personally, I liked that deep side part. Y'all know I love me a deep side part, so yeah, it's only right that I did that. The bundles are so full. I only used two, and I still had a little bit left over, you know, because there's a lot of, well, for one, the frontal is pretty big. The frontal is pretty big, you guys. I made a custom unit, and I was able to pull it down and still have room left over for bundles. So they give you a lot of wefts in those bundles. So yeah, if you are getting a frontal, you only need 2 bundles, which is like great news. Okay, great news, right? So yes, the bundles are, you get your bang for your buck with your bundles. The bundles were super soft. You guys, I did not wash this hair before I installed it. Now, I did wash the frontal because, like I said, I bleached the knots, but I didn't wash the bundles at all. I just like put them in, you know, straight out the thing. So I just sewed them right onto the unit. I didn't wash them or anything, which I probably should have, but honestly, the curls are holding really well without it being washed. So I can only imagine how they're gonna hold up when I wash this unit. Okay, so that is a plus when a unit can hold the curls. Like, the curls have not dropped. They're still very springy. This is very nice hair. Also, the hair has a very nice kind of it's not shiny, but it's like a little, like a lustery kind of look. I don't know if you guys can see. I need to zoom in so you guys can like check this hair out, because like it is bomb. Hold on, let me let y'all check that hairline out though, because I snapped. I'm still like super like just girl. Okay, let me back on up. But I really like this hair, you guys. Like, I'm a fan. I had heard so much good things about this company, and I just like was so excited to try it and test it out for myself. 2 big thumbs up, 10 out of 10. 10s across the board, all that. Like, this hair is real cute. Okay, like I can't wait to see how it looks straightened. Let me know if you guys want to see a straightened video on this. I mean, like, she curls, so I'm pretty sure she's gonna be cute straightened. Okay, the hair is also pretty rich. Like, and by me saying that, I mean like the hair is like very thick. I feel like this is double drawn hair, which means it's thick from the root to the ends. There's no split ends, there's no none of that. Now this is 12-inch hair, so 12-inch hair is usually like pretty good, but yeah, this is bomb. So I really like this hair, you guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Did you guys learn any tips and tricks from this video? Let me know down below if you guys are gonna try anything that I mentioned in the video. Also, let me know if you guys are gonna try the hair, okay? Like, I'm super excited for you guys to try this hair because I'm like geeked up, okay? So yeah, that wraps it up for this video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and as always, thanks for watching.